These are solutions to Malham's Math 222, exam number 2. Number 1, square root function looks like this, 0, 0. Square root of x minus 3 moves the graph 3 units to the right, so 3, 0. Negative in front of the whole thing moves the graph reflected across the x-axis. So it shoots down, and then we add 1 to the whole thing, so negative radical x minus 3 plus 1 looks like this, 3, 1, and shooting down. Number 2, it's a parabola with a vertex at 2, negative 4. And then for absolute value, the part that's above the x-axis stays the same. The part that's below, this gets reflected in the x-axis. So it ends up looking like a funny looking W, like so. Number 3, f minus g is this. Both x minus 4 and 6 minus x have to be greater than or equal to 0. This means x is greater than or equal to 4. Add x to both sides. 6 is greater than or equal to x, or x is less than or equal to 6. So that gives you the domain is bracket 4, 6 bracket. Number 4, a little bit of algebra makes f of x equal to x plus 2, except 2 is not allowed in the original. So f of 2 does not exist. DNE means does not exist, but g of 2 exists. Or you can say define, f of 2 is not defined, g of 2 is. 5, f of g of 4. So plug into the g function, 4 squared minus 3 times 4 turns out to be 4 itself. So I do f of 4, which is 4 times 4 plus 7, turns out to be 23. Number 6, f of g of x is f of 4x squared minus 1, which is 6 times 4x squared minus 1 minus 3. That's 24x squared minus 6 minus 3, 24x squared minus 9. 7, f of g of x plus 3, square root of 4 times x plus 3 minus 8. That's 4x plus 12 minus 8, 4x plus 4. For the domain, this has to be greater than or equal to 0. So I set 4x plus 4 greater than or equal to 0. Subtract 4, divide by 4, x is greater than or equal to negative 1. So the domain is bracket negative 1 to infinity. Number 8, y equals x cubed looks like that. It is 1 to 1. It does pass the horizontal and vertical line test. Vertical line or horizontal line will touch at only one point. Number 9, plug in 8 for y. 8 equals 11x plus 30, subtract 30. Negative 22 equals 11x, divided by 11, x equals negative 2. Number 10, y equals 2x minus 4, switch around x and y. X equals 2y minus 4, add 4, divide 2, y equals a half x plus 2, that's f inverse. Okay, so y equals 2x minus 4 has a b of negative 4 and a slope of 2. So the intercepts are 0, negative 4, and 2, 0. So here's f. Switch those x and y coordinates. So 0, negative 4 becomes negative 4, 0. 2, 0 becomes 0, 2. Connect them, and there's f inverse. All right, so these are solutions to Malham's Math 222, exam number 2.